Hello friends, welcome back to our Facebook page. Look at this colorful hen. Let's make it. We are going to cut the shape on red craft paper and then we are going to make the eyes of the hen like this. Then take a yellow craft paper, cut a triangular shape. Then take all these colorful strip of paper. Then we are going to roll it like this. We are using bamboo stick here. After that, we are going to paste all the structure like its comb, eyes, the wattle of the hen. Then we are going to paste its colorful tail like this, and then it is almost ready. Now we are going to paste all the strips together and look, it is ready. Look at this beautiful bunny face. Let's make it. We are going to make the ears of the bunny using white and pink craft paper like this. We are cutting the shape and then trace lines around the white and cut it, and look, your ears are ready. After that, we are going to paste it on the pink paper cup, paste its eyes like this. Now we are going to cut the whiskers of the bunny and then paste it on the paper cup like this. After that, we are going to draw the mouth of the bunny using black marker, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.